This has opportunity and potential written all over it. 1,000 square metres, so you could subdivide subject to council approval. It's a ripper little house as well. It's got a lot going for it. So why don't we go inside and take a look? You want to take a look, right? Come on, follow me. Come on, come on. There's a pretty garden out the front, really beautifully displayed, and lots of room for heaps of cars.
Come in and enjoy a beautiful open plan living, meals and dining area. You'll also enjoy some amazing appliances in the kitchen, like a double drawer dishwasher and stainless steel appliances. Come and enjoy a beautiful open plan family living area that will accommodate for the whole family. You can then enjoy 4 generous sized bedrooms with floorboards fitted throughout.
How's this backyard? It's massive. So much room for the whole family. You've got a spa bath, loads of room to play. You can have the biggest trampoline in the world in the back here. And of course, man shed or woman shed. Everybody loves a person shed. 2 different compartments, loads of room out here, a bar. Remember the subdivision potential for the backyard as well. So this is a ripper. So if you'd like to book an inspection, give myself or Shaylee a call anytime.
Guys, this will be a popular one.
Oh yeah.
Cheers.